morning mga naga. So, second day na natin here sa hotel. So, here yung breakfast buffet natin. So, meron silang soup. And then, meron silang itong mixed vegetable rice. Ayan. And next, meron din sila ditong sweet and spicy chicken noodles. Ayan. So, mahilig sa pansit. Ayan. Diba? Yummy. And then, meron din sila ditong shakshuka and potato wedges. It's like parang baked beans. And then there's some grilled potato and sweet vegetables. Ayan. So parang kapsoy sa atin. And next ditong area naman is meron silang chicken kung pao. Ayan. Parang fish fillet. Parang siyang fish fillet pero chicken. And then meron tayong creamy chicken. Yung breakfast na to is parang brunch lang. Pwedeng lunch for breakfast. Plain omelets. And then here are sweet and fruits. And salad section. Then doon naman yung bread sections.
Wait lang.
Bread section. And yung ating oven. So yung coffee station nandun. Tapos yung juice station nandyan. So ayan guys. So, magpapaalam na ako. Thank you for watching. Bye!